You know, I have this awesome wall mount for Star Wars Duel of the Fates. You know the scene, right? In Phantom Menace. You got Qui-Gon and Obi-Wan versus Darth Maul, right? It's friggin' awesome. But guess what? I have this great holder, and it fits great, and a lot of people are loving it. But I don't have the set. I think at one point, like, one of them was like $11 or something reasonable, but I don't know. It seemed like the other ones were like $45 or something. I don't want to have like a $70 3-pop thing. I don't know. I should have got it, you know, when the going was good, but I missed out. Anyway, this is me complaining. It does make me glad that I picked up like a set like this, which is the movie moment, you know, Vader versus Skywalker, and then added Emperor Palpatine to it. Because I think when I got this, it was really inexpensive, like less than, I think it was like 18 or less, something like that. And, you know, I was able to put it up with my, you know, other Star Wars pops, which is great. Sometimes I just miss out. You ever do that? Like stop paying attention and then like suddenly 6 months later, you're like, what? When did that come out? I wanted that, you know, and then you missed it. But then other times, like a year later, something's like half off, and so you can actually, you know, afford it. So you get it, like this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and ship this now.